Light on first.
Why on God's green earth would I make such a thing? Well, this is the internet, a place where you can instantly talk to somebody on the other side of the world, share your thoughts, pictures, videos, and openly express your weirdest ideas. The internet has been challenged to do things in the past, like when the British Natural Environmental Research Council asked the internet to name its new $287 million polar research ship, and ended up with Boaty McBoatface.
Boaty McBoatface.
Or when talentless hacks, like these guys, make YouTube videos and get millions of views. Yeah, the internet is basically like Vikings raping and pillaging the coast of Birmingham. So in an effort to put myself out of my comfort zone and test my creativity, I decided to challenge the internet to decide my next project. So I put it out the challenge on Facebook and Instagram, and I will choose whichever project is the craziest one-day build, and I will have no choice but to go for it.
Oh god awful things people have decided that I should build tomorrow. Let's see what people have got for us.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited for you.
Okay, first one. Voice activation beer fridge sofa. What the
Oh, that's just,
What are
that's
they?
just taking a piss.
Thank you.
Come on.
No, thank you. Ooh, this one's good. Do an action figure. A Garage Avenger action figure.
Oh, like a bobblehead one?
Ooh.
Like that could be cool.
Yeah, that would be like the size of my ego. What? A voice activated pizza bed? What is that, babe?
Pizza bed. Wow, it cooks your pizza for you?
Like you don't need like a heated blanket, do you? An annoying DM blocker. That would be a useful tool. All right, let's, okay, that was Instagram. Let's go check out Facebook. Yeah, let's see what my peeps have said on there. Oh, a nose picker. I like that idea. That's
It is your favorite pastime.
a nose picker. Yes, it is my favorite pastime, darling. Yeah. A really cool bird feeder.
Yeah, that could be cool.
Like I have a feeling like that bird feeder will probably kill birds if I make it. I think that's it, babe. I keep on going back to the nose picker.
Cool.
I keep on going back to the nose picker because I think it's the most insane
Well, it's
idea.
up your alley.
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, babe. I do not pick my nose ever.
What would it look like?
I'd have to be like an actual like finger and like it's like some sort of like crazy motor spinning thing. It's like
It gets your hears and your boogers all in one go.
That's it, guys. What was I seriously thinking here? I'm committed. Let's do this. First thing I gotta do is take some model shots on my hand. I think I go for the right hand because I use that one the most.
God damn it, I forgot the hole.
Guys, this is how far we got in one day. Turns out carving a hand is pretty hard and very time consuming, and it doesn't help that you lose your favorite rotary carving bit down the backside of the bench. Come on. Yes. This though did give me an idea. Yes, I think we're going to change our design so that we are using this bad boy. Oh, this is exciting!
This is all kinds of messed up. Introducing the Nose Picker 5000.
Yes, look at that thing. What have I created? Yeah. So here's the moment you've all been waiting for. We've got to test this bad boy. Oh my God. Light on first. Oh God. Oh, it's in there. All right, here we go. Now open it up. Oh God! Oh my God. Well, there we have it, guys. It works, even if it is just a lobotomy tool. So it's kind of messed up. This experience, though, has been really rewarding. You know, I was kind of scared and intimidated in the beginning what you guys would come up with. And look, the GA Nation, they came through. You guys are awesome and you're amazing support to me. So thank you very much for everyone that made suggestions. You're also kind of all messed up, let's be honest. But the great thing is, this is not just useful for lobotomies, this is useful for many other things.
No, I said don't.
What? Give me my money back!
I'll come back for you!